Hey coders, welcome back to CodingPorium. Today we're building a classic game with a modern twist, the Magic 8 Ball. You know, that little fortune-telling ball you shake to get answers to your burning questions? We're coding our own version with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here's how it works. You type in any question, click Ask the 8 Ball, and boom! You instantly get a random response like yes, no, maybe, or ask again later. HTML gives us the structure, a title, an input box to type your question, a button to shake the ball, and a space to display the answer. CSS makes it magical, with a gradient background, a glowing container, smooth button styles, and even a fade-in animation for the answers. JavaScript is the real magic here. We store a list of possible answers, then use a random number to pick one each time you click the button. The chosen response appears instantly, as if the 8-ball is predicting your future. The best part? You can easily customize this, add funnier answers, make the ball glow, or even add sound effects when you shake it. It's a small project, but super fun to show friends or embed on your website. If you enjoy projects like this, make sure to like the video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future CodingPorium tutorials. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye!